Welcome, today I am with NOKIA T20 and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So let's open the camera application, and as you can see, when you are here we are going to start from the photo mode. So when you are here you can just simply click and hold your screen, and right now you can lock focus, and you can also adjust the brightness level by using this sun icon. So we can increase or decrease brightness level manually. Of course, you can make it automatically by tapping on the screen. Another option that we can use in the photo mode, it's shutter delay. So we can add 3 or 10 seconds shutter. Let's select, for example, 3 seconds. You have to tap on the shutter, and after this time photo will be taken. Okay, let me just clean a little bit the screen because it's a lot of fingerprints. Okay, right now we are back. I'm gonna turn off this option right now. I'm talking about this delay because I don't need it. Also, we can quickly change the color and the temperature. So we have to tap right here, and you can find few filters. So if you want to boost look of your photo, you can make it right here in the camera application. You don't have to download any external app from the Play Store. Another option that we can use, so we will move to the settings, and if you turn on this option, the location tag, when you take photo, you will get exact location where this photo was taken. So you have to open the this photo in the gallery, go for the information, and as you can see, we got the exact location where the photo was taken. So when you click on the maps, it will be for sure open in the Google Maps, and here you will find mark on the Google map. Okay, let's go back. Let's put it like that in the landscape mode. Let's go back for the settings. Also, when you are here, you are able to change the long press shutter function. Currently, we can take a quick video, but we can also change for the bird shot and take a look how it works. Click, hold, and we can take 30 photos in this short time. So when you open it and click right here, oh sorry, that was the mess click, just go back, and here we can find all of this photo that you take. It looks like short video. When you click on the edit, you can boost the photo. For example, like you can change the temperature. You can also add other filters. You can save, you copy, and there it is. So basically that's all. There is not a lot of options that you can use, but I hope that few of them will help you. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.